This video shows you how to replace the battery in your 2007 to 2013 GMC Sierra key fob. These key fobs use a CR232 battery, which is inexpensive and widely available. Replacing the battery yourself is a simple DIY task that takes just a few minutes and saves you money. First, you'll need a small flathead screwdriver or a plastic pry tool. Locate the seam on your key fob, usually on the sides or near the key ring. Carefully pry the fob open to separate the two halves. Remove the old CR2032 battery, noting which side is facing up, positive side. Insert the new CR2032 battery with the positive side facing up, exactly as the old one was. Snap the fob back together, ensuring it's fully closed. Finally, test the fob to ensure the remote locking/unlocking functions work correctly. To prevent damage, use a plastic pry tool or gently insert a flathead screwdriver to avoid scratching the fob. Always ensure you insert the new battery with the correct polarity, positive side up. If your fob doesn't work after replacing the battery, it may indicate internal damage. Consider seeking professional repair. Dispose of the old battery responsibly at a recycling center. Keep in mind that regularly inspecting your key fob for corrosion can also help extend its lifespan. While key fobs for older models like the 2007-2013 Sierra will still need battery replacements, newer vehicles, including GMC's electric vehicles like the Sierra EV, are moving towards digital keys via smartphone apps. In the future, rechargeable lithium-ion batteries may become standard for key fobs, extending battery life and reducing waste.